This might sound crazy, but what if I told you you don't need an actual drift car to learn how to drift? This is my 350Z, and at the moment we had some issues with it. Engine went bad. It's a proper drift car, and you don't need to use $1,000 on the cars when you're going to crush it anyway. La, 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 la. Because basically I built my own drift car right here in my room. No, this is not a clickbait. This is my actual drift car at home. For which you can see we're using the same car. By clicking this link, you can learn how to build one of your own and as well learn how to drift without taking it to the streets and be chased by a police. Or without blowing your engine or your bank account. Every drift car starts with a chassis. This is my chassis. It's made out of 3 pallets and a junkyard dash. It looks sketchy, but trust me, it's very sturdy. You can feel the rattle a little bit. If your rig is not stable, you would feel that fake vibrations. But what are we? We're pro drifters. We focus on the drift only, not on the fake vibrations. This is basically my Honda Civic drift car without any rust. Most dangerous part of this sim rig is the steering wheel. Too slow, you spin out. Too fast, you might end up in a wall. On this rig, my wheel is basically my angle kit. The force feedback, don't ask for it. And the pedals, that's where you learn the throttle control, clutch kicks, and all the stuff that kill engines in real life. But here, it's free. And instead of a screaming turbo, we have my PC, which is the engine behind all of this operation. Or whatever you have any consoles like PlayStation or Xboxes, this is the horsepower that runs the simulator. My game settings, it's my ECU tuning. You can also mess with the tire pressure and everything, which makes Assetto Corsa as real as any game gets. And now let's go into the game and to learn to do some drifting. Lower the handbrake. Oops. This is where it gets real, drifting in a single leather. Second gear. Whoop. Oh, I need to get used to it. Don't mind this 350Z, it's a right-wheel drive car. Mine is left-wheel drive, so... Whoops. Terrible sometimes. Here we go. Handbrake. Clutch kick. We're going. So yes, simulator teaches you a lot of things. Clutch kicks. Counter steer. Handbrake. Go. Handbrake again. Clutch kick again. Brake. And we spin off. So basically this mod of a car is actually same horsepower as mine. Due to having a hill in the game, that's why we lose power a bit. And around 300 horsepower, this car does not have enough horsepower to drift up a hill. But if you use the 350Z on flat ground, it actually drifts pretty well. As you can see, flat ground here, counter steer, throw the wheel. I spin up again on the same corner. Let's try one more time. Throttle control, spin the wheel the other side. So this is what simulator is good for. You smack that back side into a wall and you just continue driving. No damage whatsoever. The force feedback is so good on this game. Try to change the view now, just to see how it looks from the outside. When you first start to drift, this is actually a better way to learn how to drift, because you can see any angle from the car. Okay, now let's see how it will go. Clutch kick. And we're going. Throttle control. You don't need to use the other pedals. Just try to use the throttle. Lower it. Press more when you need it, lower. Let me lower the camera. I want to show you how it looks like when just using the throttle. I went off the map. Go first gear. Go second. And we go and just use the throttle. just use the throttle to drift in this game. And you can use the hill to just slow the car down and do some proper drifting and as best of your abilities. The only thing that we're missing on this sim rig is the actual smell of the rubber, that burnout smell. And I spin off a lot of times in real life, but here it does not cost me $500. You just press restart. So yeah, this thing does not have wheels, even though I have these ones to move it around, but it does not have an actual wheels. It doesn't consume gas, it doesn't catch on fire, hopefully. This is the cheapest and safest and honestly smartest way to learn to drift in 2025. People would call it fake drifting, but trust me, once you learn how to drift in a sim rig, when you get into the car, it actually feels much better than to try first time in a car. And that's the secret that no one tells you about. And that's how you make your own drift car at home for $0. No broken bumpers, no blown engines, even though my engine is blown. And no angry neighbors, you just lower the volume. It's you, your sim rig, and endless practice. Comment down below what drift car you will eventually build if you have unlimited money. And make sure to hit that subscribe button, because next time, instead of the sim rig, we're taking it out on the streets once we fix the engine. And now, let's do a quick montage of me drifting in different lanes.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. We all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? To fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I'll look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. In the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?